So now let's see how we can work around with table block inside of wordpress.com. So over here you can see that I have this editing area, and if I were to go around and let's say for example I'm just going to go around and then hover around over here on the center, then what happens is that I will simply get this plus button right here. So now once I go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and search for table block right here. So all I need to do is type in table, and you can see that table actually pops up right here. So now what I can do is I can change around the column count and the row count for this table right here. So I can go ahead and change this out according to how I want, and then click on create table. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that I got the table right here, and I can simply go ahead and add in the table data according to how I want right here. So I'm just going to go around, add in name right here, item right here, just like this, and let's say for example note right here, just like this. So let's just go around and say pen, and then pencil right here, let's say for example, and there you go. So I'm just going to go around and add an item number and say 6756 right here, and on note I'm going to go around and say enough right here, enough. Or let's say for example I'm going to go ahead and then over here I'm going to say need more right here, just like this. So this is the table data as you can see, and as I click on this over here, if you were to go around onto the settings, then you can see that this is fixed with table cells. You can also disable this so that as per the data it readjusts the tables. You can also change around the header section right here and add in header details as well. So I'm going to add in SN name, and then let's say for example item number. So let's just go around and say item number, and I'm going to say note, and this is what you have. So I can go ahead right here just like this, and let's say for example select this and delete out the data as well. So let's just go around and delete these data out right here, and then that is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead, and you can see that these are the columns. You can go around and work around with stripe details as well as you want, and so forth, and change around how the table actually looks like right here by choosing the width level as well, just like this. You can go around over here, choose line right here, just like this, choose full width, and so forth according to how you want right here. So let's just go around over here, choose full width, and let's say for example say wide width, and so forth. And apart from that, you can also add in, let's say for example, caption around over here. So if I were to go around over here just like this, then I can simply select this right here, add in caption, and you can see that I can go ahead and type in whatever you want. So you can edit out the table as well. Let's say for example I can go ahead and then add in rows and columns as well. So I can go ahead and insert rows after right here, and I can insert rows before as well, just like this, insert column before, and even go ahead and delete out the column. So I'm just going to go around over here, delete out this column right here. Let me just click on this and delete out the row right here, and let me just go ahead delete out this row as well, and then this is what you have. Let me just go around, remove out the caption as well, and this is what you have. As with any other blocks, you can also go ahead and change around different settings for it as well. You can also go ahead and add in a footer section as you want. So I can simply go ahead and add in a total number for this as well. Let me just go around and choose something easy to calculate like 50 to 60 right here. Then you can go ahead and then say something like 110 right here. 55, and let's just go around over here, and let's just go around and say total items right here, just like this, and you can see that it's 115. So if I were to bold this right here just like this, I can go ahead and then format it out as well, and then this is what you have as you can see right here. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with table block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.